We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, located in Piqua, Ohio. Got stock number 28329T. This is a 2018 Ram 3500 ProMaster cargo van. This van is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 6-speed automatic transmission. This is in the silver color. I've got a number of cargo vans in right now that have not been upfitted to a conversion van, and this is one of the ones I've got. As we look around, got the side sliding door. The nice thing about the cargo van on the ProMaster, it is a front wheel drive, so it eliminates the drive shaft going to the back, which keeps the total vehicle lower to the ground, easier to step in and out of. Got the sliding door there. Does have the rear doors that open all the way up in the back, so that it's easy to load and unload things out of this. We do put the trailer tow package on it. Gives you a 7 and 4 pin wiring harness. Also gives you the class 4 hitch receiver. Does have rear park assist on it. Steel wheels. Does have a 24-gallon fuel tank. These are 16-inch wheels that are on this. Taking a look at the inside, it's got the 2 passenger seats and cloth interior on it. Power windows and locks. Cruise control. We have a heated driver's seat, heated passenger seat, rear window defroster, power folding heated mirrors. It's got speed control, traction control, and we've also got the navigation system on this. So we've taken a cargo van, put a little extra on it. It does have the rear backup camera located up at the top that shows up on your radio. Stepping inside, I'm a little over 6 foot tall. I've got plenty of headroom in here. As far as configuration goes, there's plenty of room to put shelving, any type of upfit that you could put on this. And Chrysler does offer a upfit package rebate for business owners. Got a little area above the seat here for a storage area. Got your touchscreen radio, and that is a 5-inch display. And like I said, it does have GPS navigation. Once again, this is a 2018 Ram ProMaster cargo van. This is a 159-inch wheelbase, raised roof. It's located here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on this vehicle and other commercial type vehicles, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.